Good morning to all. My name is Vincenzo and I work as a technician at Midland, specializing in action cameras and motorcycle accessories. Today, I'm here to introduce our latest product, the BikePlay Guardian. This innovative system is designed to enhance your upcoming trips by allowing you to access the main functions of your smartphone through a 5-inch touchscreen display. The display is not only waterproof but also capacitive, making it usable even with gloves. It also features a mirroring function that duplicates your smartphone screen, minimizing distractions while riding your motorcycle. With the BikePlay Guardian, you can stay connected and enjoy a safer and more convenient riding experience. Thanks to its compatibility with voice commands, it integrates with the majority of devices on the market, whether iOS or Android. The process of pairing with the phone is incredibly simple. For iOS, all you need to do is activate Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and GPS on the smartphone device. Choose BikePlay located among the Bluetooth devices. Automatically, the CarPlay screen will open, displaying all accessible functions. Make a selection to use CarPlay. This pairing operation will only be necessary during the initial time you utilize BikePlay for the first time. For future connections, all settings will be automated. Just ensure Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and GPS are active at all times. When it comes to pairing your intercom or audio device, there's no need to worry. You can do it without any hassle. If the audio device had already been paired with the smartphone, there will be no need for any additional configuration. For enhanced safety during rides, BikePlay Guardian can be controlled using the microphone of your intercom system installed on the helmet. It is compatible with voice commands, enabling you to activate all functions without the need to touch the screen. Hey Siri, start playing some music.
Stai per ascoltare anni 90 Italia dall'app Spotify.
In addition to CarPlay and Android Auto functionalities, BikePlay Guardian is also a digital video recorder, DVR, with 2 cameras, enabling you to record everything happening around you both in front and behind the motorcycle. You can review the recordings at any time directly from your smartphone using the dedicated application app. The rear camera has the capability to be utilized as an actual rear-view mirror, providing you with a wide view of what is happening behind you. In addition, BikePlay Guardian is a genuine onboard computer. It provides you with the ability to view speed, altitude, and, when combined with the included pressure sensors, it allows you to monitor tire pressure and temperature at any time, ensuring optimal performance and safety during your bike rides. If there is low pressure, a red alarm will be displayed on the entire screen and notify you about the low pressure so that you can come to a safe stop and prevent any potential damage or accidents. With the BikePlay Guardian, we have made significant improvements to the riding experience, ensuring that everything is kept under control without causing any distractions. The installation process is incredibly simple and immediate, thanks to the wide range of adapters provided. BikePlay is designed to fit most tubular or other types of attachments, making it highly versatile. When it comes to the electrical connection, BikePlay is equipped with 3 quick connectors that effortlessly power the 2 cameras, ensuring a seamless experience for the user. We also have a dual power supply option. In fact, the BikePlay Guardian can be powered either via USB port or connected to an ignition switched positive, with the 2 cables directly connected to the motorcycle's electrical system. The product is already available at all Midland retailers or on our website www.midlandeurope.com.